Hi everyone, it's Gary Nicholson here for weatherweb.net, the fast forecast for the weekend. Now, it's still a very wet and windy picture for many of you over these next couple of days. Fronts driving in from the Atlantic on Saturday, producing rain across Ireland, and that's setting in increasingly across western parts of England and Wales, and gradually pushing its way further eastwards as we go through the course of Saturday daytime. Temperatures just rising somewhat, around 14 degrees in the south and the southwest. A cool day across Scotland, though. Your highs here only around 7s and 8s, but largely dry for central and eastern parts of Scotland. A few showers, particularly early in the morning, across northern areas. Again, these wintry over the tops of the Highlands. Now, winds will be increasing and gusting gale force, severe gales in exposure around the south-southwestern coast, 50-60 miles per hour here, but even inland we could be seeing wind gusts at around 50 miles per hour into Saturday evening, so one just to be aware of if you are out and about. Much lighter winds though across Scotland. It's the rainfall that will be one of the major concerns, particularly around western areas. Here's the sequence then going through, starting from Saturday at midday, and then on into the afternoon the rain pushes further across the Midlands. But just watch Wales and northwestern parts of England, southwest Scotland, rain really piling in here into the evening, staying that way overnight and continuing into early Sunday morning. The Lake District, Cumbria and Fells really picking up on some big totals, and increasingly heavy rain moving north into western Scotland as well. Now, there's the total rainfall accumulation for the weekend as a whole, and some big totals clocking up over these western hills. Could easily be seeing 100mm, 150 to 200mm are possible over the higher fells of the Lake District. Similar amounts over Snowdonia as well. Western Scotland through Sunday particularly will be adding up those totals, so real concerns for some flooding in these areas, so keep up to date with the official flood warnings for these parts of the world. Sunday's chart sees a broad warm sector across the country, strong southwesterly winds across England and Wales, again gusting 50-60 miles per hour in exposure, particularly over the Pennines, even towards the lee side, the eastern side of the Pennines, seeing some strong gusts coming through, and that heavy rain, as we said, out towards Scotland and the northwest. Largely dry for much of England and Wales. There are a few spits and spots of rain and some fairly cloudy skies, but very mild temperatures, 15, 16s, could be seeing a 17 to the eastern side of the Pennines. Just glancing quickly towards Monday, that front clears out of the way. Could be some rain at first in far eastern regions, but a drier slot coming through before the risk of further rain spreading in from the west later. And that's your fast forecast. Have a good weekend, and bye for now.